the most persecuted birds on the face of the entire planet. I'm referring to none other than the Wedge-tailed Eagle. I will have to ask everyone to please stay seated and hold on to your children. Brutus is definitely not one you want to get a high five from. Please everyone find your seats. Thank you very much. Thank you. More closer to him. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing you all to Brutus. He is one of 4 wedge-tailed eagles that call Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary home. And with a wingspan that reaches over 2.5 meters wide, the ability to fly at speeds of over 100 kilometers an hour, and the eyesight that allows him to see 8 times more detail than we can.